making old new old, I guess. Has to keep its charm. The Museum of Natural History is down this way, and this is one of the oldest parts of town, also where the Mönchstoi is, as you see in here. We're gonna head down to the Rhine, which is right behind the church, or the cathedral, and show you what that looks like. Colder today, even though it's still 13 degrees, so it's not cold. Trees are budding. People are out.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on. But
And here's the
mankind
view.
won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working
Last time I was up here,
is evidence.
4 of these buildings weren't here. It's been so long. That's where I used to work, Bosch. Tallest building in Switzerland. And they just finished building the second one, which is even taller. So that one's now the tallest. And that heads up to the mountains of Switzerland on the Rhine, where the Rhine starts. See that ferry down there? Special ferry that's been driving back and forth here for hundreds of years. There's 3 of them, or 4. Down there, those buildings are the competition. Well, sort of, to Roche. They don't make this all the same types of pharmaceuticals, but that's Novartis still. Big pharma. The event tonight is for the Photographer of the Year. And there's 3 categories. The only one I know which one it is the children's nature category, where John is nominated. It's one of the top 10. He's not here. He's at ski camp. But we are. The houses on this street are, I think, as old or even older than the 1400s. This one's from 1400. This must have been the well-off part of the old town, because the houses are bigger. In other parts, they're smaller. And we're coming up on, oh, I thought this used to be a walking street only, but not. So here, Wildlife Photographer of the Year is where we're going. So let's see if I can find my hubby and go in and see what's going on. Yes, it's full. It's full inside.
Haustiere sind bei euch übrigens nicht erlaubt zu sein.
Who's that? Vierte? Ja klar. Oh. John, du hast vierte Platz, so nah am dritten. Und erste und zweite. Well done. I am so proud of you. Pardon, sorry.